Good evening, all. Before starting the session, please go to YouTube, Raj Informatica YouTube channel, and subscribe my channel. In this YouTube channel, there are many Informatica PowerCenter and Unix Oracle videos available. Please watch them, subscribe, and also like, comment on them. And then keep browsing my rajinformatica.com website. In this website, there are Unix, Informatica, Oracle, IICS materials available, and also PowerCenter, Oracle, IICS material available. This links available, interview questions available. So please subscribe my channel, and also please keep browsing my website. Coming to the session, I welcome you all to my 22nd batch, second session. Today is our second session, correct? So have you seen the first session? Everyone, have you seen the first session? And have you attended the first session? Did you understand the first session? Yes. Okay. Now today is our batch 22 second session evening. Okay. So whatever you want to ask the questions, you have to ask in chat only. I cannot unmute you. Okay, because there are many people. Nobody can understand if I unmute. So please, whatever you have the questions, you please ask me in the chat. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, let's discuss the different topic today. In the last session, we have seen about we have seen what is data, what is the examples of data, what is the table, what is the examples of what is the database, what are the different examples of database. Yes, please. What are the ETL tools available in real time? What are the reporting tools available in real time? What is the use of ETL tool? What is the use of Informatica project? Okay, how the reports will generate? Yes, please. And what are the different types of ETL tools and the reporting tools? Yes, guys. So, and what are the different types of Informatica tools? All these things we discussed, correct? Yes, guys. Did we discuss all these things? Everyone, you have to reply to me properly, please. When I ask something, you have to reply to me. Did you understand last sessions? Okay, yes. Now, today we are going to discuss about Oracle database. So to learn ETL, to learn Informatica, before you learn Informatica, you must learn a database. Without learning a database, you cannot work on Informatica. So you have to work on Informatica. Before you learning, you have to learn Oracle before you learning Informatica. So in that, which database we should learn? If you learn Oracle, that is more than enough. So we'll discuss some basics of Oracle today. Whichever is required for Informatica PowerCenter, whichever the Oracle topics required for Informatica, whichever the topics for interview, what they will ask, all those things I will cover in Oracle. So now, Oracle is a database, correct? Is Oracle is a database? Like Oracle, we have SQL Server, MySQL, Teradata, all these are databases. But among them, Oracle is a popular database. If you compare any other, if you compare any other databases, Oracle is the popular databases among the other databases. Now Oracle is having two parts. Oracle is having two parts. SQL, PLSQL. What is SQL? Structured query language. What is PLSQL? Procedural language, structured query language. So there are two parts in Oracle. One is SQL, one is PLSQL. Yes, guys. So SQL, if you want to get a job in Informatica, you must learn at least SQL. PLSQL, that is your wish. If you're interested, you can learn, otherwise leave it. But SQL, you must learn. Understood? SQL, you must learn. Are you clear, please? Now, in SQL, so actually SQL is structured query language. You have to write the commands or you have to write the queries in SQL. It is very easy, no need to worry. The only thing is you need to practice. Now, coming to SQL, SQL is a structured query language. It is having some basic commands. Some basic commands. What are the commands? DDL commands, DML commands, TCL commands, DQL commands. DDL commands means data definition language. DML means data manipulation language. TCL means transaction control language. DQL means data query language. Yes, guys? Everyone? Yes, please. Understanding? So, we need to learn first basic commands. We need to learn basic commands. So, we have DDL, DML, TCL, DQL. Under DDL, create, alter, drop, rename, truncate. These are the commands will come under DDL. Under DML, we have insert, update, delete commands. Under TCL, we have commit, rollback. Under DQL, we have select. Yes, please. Are you clear, everyone? Understanding? So now we need to learn what is how to use create command, alter command, drop command, rename command. We need to see one by one. We will see now. Now, to work with Oracle, where we should work? By using which tool? By using which tool we will work on SQL? By using which tool we will work on SQL? Yes, please. That we are going to see now. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? So what the means where we should use Oracle? The means how to use. If you want to use Oracle, you need to download a software called Oracle SQL. You already installed Oracle. After that, you need to install a Oracle SQL developer. Everyone installed Oracle SQL developer? This one? Did you install Oracle SQL developer? If you don't install by next session. If you don't install by next session. Yes, please. So now Oracle SQL developer, open the Oracle SQL developer. In this Oracle SQL developer, you need to work on it. Understanding, everyone? Where we need to work? Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Where we need to work? We need to work in Oracle SQL developer. Okay, just a second. Let me tell you 1 second, please. Yeah. So this is our Oracle SQL developer. Yes. So now, actually, what we have learned till now, this is Oracle as a database, correct? Oracle is a database. For example, this is Oracle database. A database is a collection of tables, I told, correct? A database is collection of tables. So in a database, these tables will be there, correct? These are the tables will be there. Database is a collection of tables. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Table is a collection of rows and columns, correct? Yes, guys. So these are the different tables. But in coming to the reality, normally database is collection of tables. But actually database is a collection of schema. If you see the database, this is Oracle SQL developer, correct? In the Oracle SQL developer window, when you open, the top window, this one is title bar, menu bar. This is title bar, this is menu bar, this is toolbar, this is navigation window, This is workspace window, and we have an output window also. Yes, please. So if you write any query, you will get the output windows. See, this is the output window. Okay. So this one is the title bar, menu bar, toolbar. The left side is called a navigation window. The right side one is called a workspace window. The downside window is called the output window. Now, if you see here, I have ecom src, HR, infodom, inforepo test, OTSRC dev1, OTSRC dev2. Like this we have, correct? Like this we have many things. These are called schemas. So a database is a collection of schema first. A database is a collection of schema. And the schema is a collection of database objects. What are database objects? Tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions. So a database is a collection of schema. A schema is a collection of database objects like tables. So if you see the definition of a database is a collection of schema. Schema is collection of database objects like tables. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Yes, please. Understanding? So now, if you want to create a table in a database, first you need to create the schema. Understood? Yes, guys, you see here. This is a schema 1, schema 2, and schema 3. Yes, please. So a database is a collection of schema. Inside the schema, tables will present. If you see, this database contains schema 1, schema 2, schema 3. In the schema 1, we have table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5. Schema 2, we have table 1, table 2, table 3, like this. Schema 3, we have table 1, table 2, table 3. Yes, guys? Understood, everyone? Are you clear, please? Understanding? Yes, guys? Okay. So, a database is a collection of schema. A schema is a collection of tables. And a table is a collection of rows and columns. That is what I have discussed here. Okay. Database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of database objects like tables. Table is a collection of rows and columns. No. If you want to create a table, first we need to create a schema. In your system, maybe 3-4 schemas are there, correct? In your system, you have these many schemas, correct? Maybe you have a sys schema. Maybe you have info schema, info DOM schema, correct? Yes, guys. Do you have these schemas? Do you have these schemas? Guys, are you there, everyone? Reply. Do you have maybe these 3 schemas? So now, see, one more thing I am telling. While I am telling the session, don't do parallelly with me. Do not do parallelly with me. Yes, guys, do not do parallelly with me. Just listen. Don't write anything. Just listen what I am telling. Yes, guys. Understanding, everyone? So just listen what I am telling. Later, after the class, you can practice. So just listen whatever I am saying. Now, so Oracle is collection of database schema. Schema is collection of database tables. Now, first, before you creating a table, you need to create a schema. Now, how to create a schema? Now we are discussing how to create a schema in Oracle. Before you creating a schema, you need to decide the name of the schema. You can give any name of the schema. You can give your name, my name also. You can give your name, my name also, schema name. But, okay, but we need to give, now what we need to do? We need to give the name of the schema, any name you can decide. But I am giving a meaningful name, OTSRC Dev3. OTSRC Dev3 means order tables, source, dev, development, all those things I'll tell later. As of now, I want to create a schema called OTSRC Dev3. So how to create a schema called OTSRC Dev3? If you want to create a schema, go to Oracle SQL Developer. Are you seeing sys schema here? This is the predefined schema given by Oracle. Click on plus. When you click on plus, this will open like this. Open Oracle SQL Developer and click on sys plus. This plus before sys. Now you need to write the commands. What are the commands? What are the commands you need to write? 1 second, please hold. Yeah. Okay. So now open this schema and you need to write a command. You need to write a query to create a schema. How to create a schema? You need to write a query like this. Create user. User means schema. Schema name OT-SRC Dev3. Create user OT-SRC Dev3. Yes, please. Identified by password. Yes, please. So this is the one you need to write it. Create user, username, identified by admin. Admin is the password. Whatever the password you want to give. So your schema name is OTSRC Dev3 and the password is admin. Understanding? Create user, username, identified by admin. Yes, please. And also you need to write grant all privileges to OTSRC Dev3. And then grant DBA to OTSRC Dev3. We are giving necessary privileges to our schema. What you need to do now? You need to write this. Your schema name is OTSRC Dev3 and your password is small admin. Now you need to creating a schema. Select all these three. You need to give a semicolon at last. Select all and give this. Are you seeing run statement? Here? Execute. Green triangle symbol. Are you seeing? This is called execute. Select this and execute. When you execute, in the output window, user OTSRC Dev3 created, grant succeeded. Correct? Is it given like this? Yes, guys? Everyone? Yes or no? So now our schema is created. Our OTSRC Dev3 schema is created. Now, is this OTSRC Dev3 is visible in the left side? Is it visible in the left side? OTSRC Dev3? Are you seeing anywhere here? Quickly, please. I need the answers. No, you cannot able to see. If you want to see that in the left side, you need to configure the schema. What we have done now, we created a schema. Once we create a schema, we need to configure the schema. How to configure the schema? So this is our schema name, OTSRC Dev3. Click on the plus button. Are you seeing green plus button? Click on it. Click on the plus button. Name. Name is a schema name. Username also schema name. Name is also schema name. Username also schema name. Password. Whatever the password you given here, that password you need to give admin. Save password. These are default. Test. Connect. When you test and connected, it is visible here. Is it visible in the left side? OTSRC Dev3. Now click on the plus button. Click on this plus button. We have under this tables, views, indexes. Under tables, nothing is there. Now you can create the table. Understanding? Everyone? Now, under OTSRC Dev3 schema, you need to create the tables. How? When you click on plus, this will come here. If it don't come, right click, open SQL worksheet. Right click and open SQL worksheet. When you click on SQL worksheet, are you seeing here it has come? OTSRC Dev3. Yes, guys. OTSRC Dev3 is created. Now, whatever the tables you create, it will be under this. Whatever the tables you will create now, it will be under this. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Yeah? Okay. So watch my video again, please. If you want to watch, please watch my video again. Click on the plus symbol and give the username. Give the name and username and the password, and then save password, test and connect. That's it. There is nothing difficult in this. Okay, done. Once you create a schema, you can create n number of tables now. Correct? Under the schema, you can create any number of tables. Yes or no, please? You created a schema. Under the schema, you can create n number of tables. Are you clear, please? Understood? Are you clear? Everyone? Now we need to create the create the table. If you want to create a table, what kind of table you want to create, that you need to see. What kind of table? Okay. What kind of table we need to create, that we need to see now. So how to create a table? Please see. First, decide a table. First, decide a table. Yes, please. So this is my table. I want to create a table. Like this, I want to create a table. Yes, guys. In this table, name of the table is students. Name of the table is students. In the students table, yes, guys, we have student ID. We need to create student ID, student name, marks, city, state. I need to create 3 columns first. I need to create how many columns? 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Student ID, student name, marks, city, state. I want to create 5 columns first. Once I create the 5 columns, then I need to insert these records. 10 Raj, 100 Bangalore, Karnataka, 20 Ramya. These are the records. So I have 5 columns, 3 rows, correct? How many columns and how many rows? How many columns and how many rows? Everyone? How many columns and how many rows, please? There are 5 columns. Student ID, student name, marks, city, state are the columns. And this is the rows. So now we need to create a table. But before creating a table, we need to give the data types. What kind of data it will contain? Now student ID contains numbers only. Student ID contains maximum 5-digit number, from 0-digit number to 5-digit number. So I will give number of 5. Number is a data type. My student ID should be numbers only. It should contain numbers only. And it should contain numbers only. And it should contain what? It should contain 5 digits maximum. Now student name. Student name should contain only characters. Up to 50 characters we can give. So then varchar2. Varchar2 is the data type of the student name. Data type means what kind of data it will allow. Number will allow numeric data types. Varchar will allow character data types. Understood, please, everyone? Varchar2 means it is a character data type. It is a character data type. Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Now marks. Marks number data type. Till 4-digit number I can allow. City. Varchar data type. City is varchar2 data type, varchar2, suppose till 30 characters I will allow. State, also varchar2, till 10 characters I will allow. Understood, please? So based on this, we need to create a table now. So the table name is students. In that 5 columns I will create and 3 rows I will insert. First I will create a table. First I will create an empty table first. What we have to do now? We need to create an empty table now. So how to create a table? By writing create table statement. Create table, table name, that is students. Open and close the brackets. Inside the bracket, the first student ID, capital or small, anything you can write it, number of 5, comma, student name, varchar2, student name, varchar2 50, comma, next, marks, number of 4, yes please, next, city, varchar2 50 or city varchar2 30, yes guys, you can give anything as per your requirement. Then state, varchar2 10, state, varchar2 20 or 10, whatever. Yes, please. Are you clear? How to create a table? Did you understand? Create table, table name, column name and data type and size. This is size. Column name, data type, size, comma, column name, data type, size, comma, column name, data type, size. Are you clear, please? How to create a table? Did you understand? This table will create 5 columns. Everyone, are you able to understand this? I need the replies, please. Everyone understanding? So create table, students, put the semicolon at last and select it and execute it. Select it and execute it. Now table students created, correct? Is the table students created? You see this, please? So how to create a schema we see. To create a table in Oracle SQL, you need to write create table, table name, student ID, student name, marks, city, and data types. Give a semicolon. It will create a table in OTSRC Dev3 schema. This table is created in OTSRC Dev3 schema. Next is, once we create a table, next, suppose you created a table. You create table and you erased it. Suppose you create, the table is there. You want to see the structure of a table. That means how many columns are there in this table you want to see. You know the table name. DESC students. DESC table name is showing whatever we created. When I give describe, DESC means describe. Describe table name. Then is it giving? When I give describe table name, is it giving the column data type all? This is called a definition or structure. This is called a definition or structure of a table. Understood, please? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understanding? So if you want to see the structure, either you can write describe, also you can write. Describe is not any DDL DML command. It's a separate command. It's a Oracle command. Either you can write describe, same will give, or you will give DSC. Both are same. DSC is a short form of describe. That is how you can see the table structure. Next, suppose if you want to see the records in a table, how many records in this table, how many rows in a table, then you can write select star from students. Select star from students. If you write select star from students, what it is giving? If you write select star from students, it is giving only column names, no rows exist. It is empty table, correct? Yes, guys. Is it empty table? Everyone? Understanding? Are you clear, please? It is an empty table. Okay. Select star from students. It is an empty table. Are you clear, please? Now, so what and all we have seen till now? How to create the table. This is how you need to create a table. How to see the structure of a table. DESC table name. To see the records in a table, select star from students. Okay, to see the records in a table, select star from students. Now we need to insert the records. We need to insert these records, correct? We need to insert these records. Yes or no, please? If you want to insert these records, what should we do? That we will see now. Yes, guys? Shall we see this now? Everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. You want to insert the records. How to insert? By using insert statement. How to insert the records? By using insert statement. Insert into, see what are the columns available in this DSC? In this students, I have student ID, student name, marks, city, state. If you want to insert into this table, insert into table name, give the all column names, student ID, student name, marks, city, state, marks, city, state. Everyone, yes or no, guys? Values, insert into table name, then values. In the values, you need to write what student ID. What is student ID? We want 10. Student ID is 10. Yes, please. Student ID is 10. Student name, Raj. Student name is Raj. Yes, please. Student name I am writing in a single quotes. Why? Because student name is varchar. For varchar to data types or varchar to columns, you need to write, you must write what? You must write single quotes. Yes, guys. Comma, marks. Marks is how many? 100. Comma, city. City is Bangalore. Yes, please. Comma, state. State is KR. Close and semicolon. So insert into table name all the column names, values. Student ID is 10. It is a number. You no need to give in single quotes. Student name is varchar data type. It is a varchar 2, that is why single quotes. Marks is 100. So this is not, marks is 100. So that means no need of single quotes. City is a varchar. So Bangalore in single quotes. State is varchar. That is why Karnataka in single quote. Execute. One row inserted. Is one row inserted? Yes, please. When you insert one row, now see please, select star from students. If you select star from students, you will get that record, correct? Is that record inserted? Like that, if you want to insert two more records, copy this, paste it here. Copy this, Control C and paste and change 20. Like this, we need to insert 20, Ramya, marks 70. Yes, please. And Delhi, DL. Then select this, insert. One more inserted. You want one more? Next, 30, same Ramya, 80, and it is Chennai. Yes, please. TN. Suppose you want to insert one more record, insert 40. Yes, guys, 40, Divya. Okay, and the marks is 150. State is Hyderabad. Yes, please. Our state is Kochi. Sorry, city is Kochi. State is KL. Understanding everyone, please? You can insert both at a time. Insert. Now see, 4 records got inserted. These 4 records got inserted. This is how you need to insert the records into the table. once you insert the records into table, you have to give commit. You have to give commit. Commit means save. These records should save in the table. So you should give commit. Understood, please? Everyone, are you clear? If you want to insert the records into the table, insert into table name, all the column names, values. For the number data types, don't give single quotes. For only varchar2 data types, date data types, give the single quotes and execute them. The 4 rows inserted. If you want to see the rows, select star from students. Understood, everyone, please? How to create a table and insert the records? How to create a table and insert the records? Did you understand? Everyone, did you understand? Please reply. Yes, guys. Yes, please. If you don't give commit, it will not save. If you close this, it will not save. If you don't give commit, if you close this Oracle SQL Developer window, the data will lose. If you give commit, means save. Then if you close the window also, it will be there. Okay. Hold on 1 minute. I'll come back. Just hold on 1 minute. I'll come back. Please wait. Hold on 1 minute. Yes, please. Okay. So this is how you can create a table. This is how you can create a table in Oracle. Yes, please. Now, if you wanted to, I will create one more table. We'll create one more table. Okay. So what kind of table we'll create? This table we'll create. You see this, please? We'll create this table. One more table we'll create. One more example. You see this, please? Okay. Yeah. So I'll create a table called customers. In the customers, I have customer ID, customer name, credit, debit. Customer, I need to create 4 columns. Customer ID, customer name, credit, debit. Yes, please. Understanding? Now, customer ID is what? Customer ID is a number column. What is customer ID? Customer ID is a number column. Customer name is varchar2 50. So till yes guys, till 5. 1 minute, please. Just wait. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So if you see this customer ID can contain up to 5 digits. Customer name can contain up to 50 characters. But credit limit is the decimal. I given number 7, 2. What is number 7, 2? Or number 5, 2. I'll give this as number 5, 2. Or 6, 2. This I given number 7, 2. This I given number 6, 2. What is number 7, 2? And what is number 6, 2? Yes, please. That we will see now. Okay. If you give number 6, 2, if you give, yes, guys. If you give number, okay, 6, 2, yes, guys, or 7, 2. The total digits should be 7. The total digits, number of digits. Maximum digits can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Before the 2 dots, because comma 2, there should be a dot. Before the 2 digits, there should be a dot. If you give number 7, 2, the maximum number it will allow is this. But it will allow this also. 1.1, 1.12. Okay, 25.10. Yes, please. 1 or 0, 100, 9,000, 90,000. Yes, guys, understanding? What is number 7, 2 means? The total digits should be 7. The total digits should be 7. Out of it, yes, please. Out of it, before 2 digits, dot should be there. Before 2 digits, dot should be there. Suppose if I give number 5, 2. If I give number 5, 2, then total number of digits should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5,3 I'll give. Where the dot will be? Where should be the dot? Where should be the dot? Before 3 digits. Before 3 digits. So the maximum number it will allow is this. Understanding everyone? Are you clear, please? Did you understand? Are you clear? Yes, guys? Clear about it? So this is how it will be. Yes, guys? Are you clear? So now what I am giving here number 7,2. 7,2 means maximum digit comes server 7 before the 2 digits dot. Maximum digit is 6 before 2 digits dot. So I'll create this table now. Okay, create table. Create table customers. Create tables customers. Yes, guys. Customer ID. Yes, please. Customer ID number. That is number of 5. Comma cust name. Cust name varchar to 50. Yes, please. And credit. Credit is number 7,2. Okay. Debit. Debit number 6,2. Are you clear, please? Understood how to create a table? Everyone? Create table customers. Customer ID. Yes, please. Create table customers. Customer ID. Cust name. Credit. Debit. Execute this. Is the table customers created? Is the table customers created? Yes, guys. Yeah. Okay. Once we create the table, we can insert the records into table. How to insert the records? Insert into table name. Insert into table name. The columns custody, comma cust name, comma credit, comma debit, values. Yes, please. Custody, cust name, credit, debit, and the values. Values is what? Raj. I want custody 1 and Raj. Yes, please. Raj. Next 25,000.55, comma 2,000.12. Yes, please. So this is one record. Everyone? Yes, please. Execute this. One row inserted. Is one row inserted? Yes, please. Now insert into customers. I want one more row. 2, customer ID 2, RAM. Yes, please. RAM 15,000.15. Next 1200.24. Insert. One more record inserted. Insert one more record. 3 Ramesh 16,000.13 and 300.25. Yes, please. Execute it. Yes, guys. 3 rows inserted. Then after that, what we should give? Once we inserted 3 rows, what should I give? Once we insert 3 rows, what should I give? Commit. Commit. Now select star from customers. Select star from customers. You see, please. Is it inserted the records? Yes, please. Customer ID Raj. credit, debit. Customer ID Ram. Yes, guys. It's Raj only, but it is small letter, right? It is giving like this. Small letters, right? It is giving like this. Understood, everyone? How to create the table and insert? So this is how I given here. This is how I given here. Yes, guys. How to insert multiple records in single command? We can, but normally we'll use in real time this only. Instead of inserting multiple in the single command, we'll use normally this. Yes, please. Are you clear? Understood, everyone? Clear about it? SQL is not case sensitive. We can edit the records. How to edit the records, I will tell you. SQL is not case sensitive. You can write insert in capital letter and into in small letter, all these things. Yes, please. But the values inside the table are case sensitive. If it is Raj means it is small case only it will take. Ram means like this only it will take. Ramesh means it will take. If it is mistake, how to do, I'll tell you. Just wait. If it is mistake, how to do, I'll tell you. Please wait. Yes, guys. Okay. Yes, please. Grant all privileges and DBA, is that common for all schema? Yes, it is common for all schema. Okay. So this is how you can create and insert the records into the table. To see the structure of table, DSC students or DSC customers. To see the records in a table, select staff of students. To insert the records into the table, insert into, and to save the records to the table, commit. To save the records into the table, commit. Next, if you want to see the number of records in a table, suppose I want to see the number of records in a table. If you give select star from students, I'll insert few more records. Yeah. Now, how many records in my students table? How many records in my students table? How many records are there in students table? 12. So you can see, suppose I have 1000. You need to scroll down. You right click, count rows. 12 rows. Right click on here, count rows. 12 rows. Or we have a command also. Select count of star from students. Select count of star from students. It will show the number of the records. It will show the number of the records, that is 12. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Everyone? Yes, please. Okay, next. Next. Did you understand select count star from? Did you understand select count star from? Okay. Now, for example, I want to see only particular records. I want to see only particular records. Okay. Yes, guys. So particular records means what? I want to see only particular records means. What is that means? Please try to understand. Okay. I want to see only particular records. Suppose I want to see whose student ID is 10. I want to see whose student ID is 10. What to do? If I want to see only student ID is 10, what to do? Where can I see? Commit can be used at last. I'll tell you about the commit later. I will tell you about the commit later. Commit means it will work for specific tables, correct? But suppose you inserted 100 records. You need to give 100 times commit. At last, you give a commit. Give a commit at last. I'll come back to the commit later. Just please. Now here select star of students where student ID equal to 10. Where condition we should use? Where student ID equal to 10. Yes, please. You see this? We got only whose students are 10. Whose student ID is 10? Yes, please. Where student ID equal to 10? Suppose I want to see whose city is Delhi. I want to see. I'll insert one more record. Just wait. I'll insert one more record. Yes, please. Yeah. I'll insert this record. Commit. Now select star from students. Now I want to see all the records. Whose student ID, whose student name is Adya? Whose student name is Adya? So what to do? Select star from students where student name equal to Adya in single quotes. But when you are writing Adya, in the table it is small Adya, you should use small only. If you give inside the cap, whatever there, you should give inside the quotes. If you give capital, it will give error. It will not give error, it will not show any records, but you have to give the same case. Did we get only Adya record? Everyone? Did we get only Adya record, please? Are you clear, guys? Where condition? If you want to filter the records, from a table, we can use where condition. Suppose I want to see all the marks whose marks are greater than 100 or whose marks are less than 100. Select star from students where marks less than 100, where column name less than 100. We got all the marks less than 100. Everyone, are you clear, please? This is called where condition. I will tell more about where condition in the next class, but I given some introduction about where condition. Are you clear about where condition, please? Everyone, did you understand where condition? Okay. I'll give more about where condition later. More about where condition later. Now next. Now the next one. Please try to understand carefully. Yes, please. Suppose I have this table, correct? Select star from customers. I want to see schema structure. What is meant by this is schema structure. In the schema, we have these many. In the schema, we have these many tables. Customers and students we have. I don't have any views. I don't have any packages, nothing. So this is a schema structure. Or you are asking about how to create a schema? Are you asking about this? Everyone, you know how to create a schema, correct? You know how to create a schema. Okay. Now, let's go to here. I have a table, okay, customers table. I have a customers table. Now, I want to delete all the records from this table. What I want to do? I want to delete all the records from a table. Yes, please. I want to delete. How to delete? Delete from table name. Delete from table name. If you give delete from table name, it will delete all the records from a table. 3 records got deleted, 3 rows deleted. Check now. How many rows are there in customers? How many rows are there in customers? Everyone? How many rows? No rows. But when you are using a delete statement, you must give commit. See what and all we have seen till now. We have seen create statement. We have seen insert statement. We have seen commit statement. We have seen select statement, correct? Create is a DDL command. Insert is a DML command. Commit is a TCL command. Select is a DQL command. Also, till now we have seen delete. When you are using any of these commands, when you are using DML commands, I given a note here. If you use any DML statement, insert or update delete, you must use commit. If you don't commit, it will not save. Because you used a delete, you must use commit. But if you use create, alter, drop, you no need to use commit. Understood, please? Are you clear? Everyone? Understanding? Clear about it? So if you are using any DML statement, then only you should use commit. Otherwise, no need. For only DML statements, if you want to save, you should use commit. Okay. So he deleted all the records. But now I don't want to delete all the records. I want to delete whose student name is Ramya. I want to delete whose student name is Ramya. Yes, please. What I want to do? I want to delete all the records whose student name is Ramya. What to do it? Please observe. Delete from students where student name equal to Ramya is in smaller small capitals. Ramya. If you give a where condition, it will not delete all the records. It will delete only few records. Are you clear, please? Delete some students where student name equal to Ramya. Execute. 6 rows deleted. Is 6 rows deleted? Only 6 rows. Out of these many rows, only 6 rows deleted. Yes, guys? Understood? After delete, you can give commit. Are you clear, guys? Everyone, are you clear? Suppose I want to delete only one record, Adya record. So what to do? Delete from students. What you have to do now? Delete from students. Yes, guys. Students where student name equal to Adya. Yes, guys. Where student name equal to Adya. Execute. Is Adya record got deleted? So then give a commit. So after all delete statements also you can give a commit. After all delete statements also you can give a commit. Are you clear, guys? How to delete all records? If you want to delete all the records, delete from table name. If you want to delete particular record, delete from table name where table name equal to column name. Where table name equal to column name. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Yes, guys. That is delete statement. Now suppose, okay, for example, I inserted Adya again. Select star from students. In the students table, I want to update. I want to edit or update. Wherever Bangalore is there, I want to update to Mysore. What I want to do? I want to update as Mysore. Are you clear, please? Everyone? Yes, guys. Select star from students. What I want to do now, I want to wherever Bangalore you are seeing, I want to update. Now update statement. Update table name. Set city equal to Bangalore. City equal to what? Mysore. I want to change it to Mysore. Where city equal to Bangalore. Where city equal to Bangalore. Understanding? Wherever city is Bangalore, change it to Mysore. Execute. Now Bangalore is executed to Mysore. 1 second, please. Behold. Just a second, guys. Please. Is my session is interesting? Everyone, is my session is interesting? Is my session is understandable? Yes. So please So please go through my session and practice. Next session is on Wednesday. Okay, guys? Is it clear? Commit statement done at a line number 10 after the DML operations done. Difference between 10th and 20 line. What is the different objects of commit? See, suppose you written 10 alter statements. Sorry, 10 delete statement, 10 insert statements. You written 10 insert statements and 20 update statements. Okay, for example, and 30 delete statements. After all these things, you can give commit at last. After all these things, you can give commit at last. You no need to give commit for this. After your work is done, at last you should give commit. If you don't commit and close, it will not save. Whatever different objects or different tables, whatever it is. Suppose you given 5 insert statements for students table. 20 update statements for customers table. 30 delete statements for products table. You return. Give one commit at last. That's more than enough. I will tell commit and rollback again in the next session. In the next session, I will cover commit and rollback again. Commit will last. Yes. Before you closing, suppose your work is done, then give commit. That's it. Clear, please? Are you clear? Yes, please. Understood? So see you in next session, guys. I hope you liked my session. See you in the next session. In the next session, we'll start Informatica. Please don't miss next session. Before you wind up, please go to Raj Informatica YouTube channel. There are many Oracle PowerCenter, IICS, and Unix videos available. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And go to my Raj Informatica website. And there are many materials, PowerCenter, Unix, Oracle, IICS material available. And interview questions, Oracle, PowerCenter, IDMC interview questions available. Please keep browsing my channel. Thanks for watching my video, or thanks for joining my sessions. Thank you all. Thank you all, guys. Thank you all. Good night. Thanks.